Welcome to the Trail Boss Squad. My name's John and we're shining in the light of Christ, one ride at a time. And guys, I've got this Silverado Trail Boss LT and I tried to get it absolutely loaded. All leather, all around. It even came with a leather wrapped steering wheel. Only thing is, that leather wrapped steering wheel really isn't that great. But we are partnering with Mewant today to get a custom leather wrapped steering wheel cover. We're talking about like a factory appearance. We're going to put it on. We're going to sew it on. And I'm going to get my wife to help me with this one. And we're going to end up with a factory looking finish. In fact, better than factory. It's really going to elevate the interior of our ride. And if you want one, it can elevate the interior of your ride as well. Let's go ahead and get to unboxing this. And I'll show you how to put it on. Now, the actual first step is to go watch some of Mewant's videos that do an excellent job showing you exactly how to put this on. I'll give a high-level view, but there's no replacement for seeing it directly from them. So as we do the unboxing, you'll see that it comes with everything you need. We've got a plastic pry tool, double-sided tape, a needle, thread, and of course, our actual steering wheel cover itself. This one made out of real leather, but there are so many different options that you can choose from. Here are the instructions for the installation. Definitely follow them because it really shows you exactly how to get all this done. This process can seem a little overwhelming at first, but it's not really that difficult. It just really requires patience. The first thing we did was get our double-sided tape exactly where we want it and go ahead and fit the steering wheel cover. Once we get it right where it needs to be, we'll go ahead and start taking off this double-sided tape. Don't be afraid, use it because it works great and it really holds it in place. Now, the thing I was the most nervous about was actually starting the needle in the steering wheel cover, and I had my wife do this for me. I was so nervous about it, but after watching her do it, I saw that there really wasn't that much to it besides tying a knot and really feeding it through. Once you get that started, you will just simply begin to thread that needle through every other stitch until you get an awesome looking pattern that you will see shortly. Now, this process does take some time, but it is very rewarding. I think of it like a really big Lego set that piece by piece you get it all together, and though it may take a little bit, you've got a great, awesome product there at the end. At this point, I took the plastic pry tool and began to push the steering wheel cover into the steering wheel itself. There is plenty of room behind the plastic trim pieces for everything to fit. Once you do that, it's simply continuing the sewing process. My wife said it was very therapeutic and she actually enjoyed doing this. Altogether, this process did take us about 2 hours to complete, but what we had left was an absolutely amazing product. I would recommend this to anybody who just wants to step up the interior, and this is a great way to do it. You cannot go wrong with these Mewant steering wheel covers, and I really think you'd be pleased with what you get and the end result. And I really can't believe all the different options they have. You can get this exactly the way you want. And that's it, guys. It was a little bit difficult to put on, but it was very rewarding, and I am super pleased with the results. I want to thank my wife for really helping me with that. I didn't have enough time to put into it, and she really picked up my slack, and it turned out great. Thank you, Mewant, for sponsoring this video. Guys, if you need an awesome custom wrapped steering wheel, check out Mewant. And it doesn't just have to be leather. They've got all kinds of different materials, colors. You can really get it exactly how you want it, and this turned out exactly how I want it. And don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you, and all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good trails, and God bless.